not all of our customers are super technical, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to connect a car battery charger step by step. For some retrofits, in addition to coding, we need to flash the module here and there, so in that process we need to make sure that your car has a stable voltage running through. Let's get right to it. I'll pop the hood by pulling the release twice. Once the hood is up, this is when you'll have to find the red flap where the positive terminal is located. Pretty simple, just lift it up. And you'll want to locate, depending on your chassis style, where the dedicated negative ground is located. And here's where it's at on an F30. So the minimum requirements for a battery charger for flashing is a 10 amp capable charger. Most likely they'll be bulkier than a trickle charger. This is the one we'll be using today, but you're welcome to use whatever brand you feel more comfortable with. You'll need to connect the red clamp to the positive red terminal, and next the black one to the dedicated ground post right over here. Lastly, we'll hook the charger up to its main voltage supply. At this point, we would want to make sure that it's set up for an AGM type battery in 12 volt mode. You'll select 10 amp charge, but you can see with our charger, it does it automatically, so it's doing its job just fine. And now we're all set to start flashing. And once you're done with the charger, you can disconnect it from the wall outlet, disconnect the clamps, tidy up everything, and store it away. And that's it for today, guys. Once again, guys, my name is Chaz. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos that we got here at the shop. See you next time.